and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to add website form leads to Airtable. So here my objective is whenever I received a new form submission through my website form, then automatically all the leads of my user will be added into my Airtable as a new record. So to do this, I am going to integrate my website form with my Airtable, and the best part is it can be done without requiring any single line of code, and you can create this entire automation in just 5 minutes. Yes, it is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick overview of how this automation will work in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created into my website by entering some test details here. The full name I entered as test user, then I am adding one test email address, after that one contact number. Here the subscription type I am entering as Pabbly Connect. After that I am simply clicking on the submit now button. See, my form is submitted successfully. Now we will check our Airtable page that a new record will be added or not. See, automatically a new record will be added into our Airtable. So if you also want to create this automation, then just follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So now I am going to take you my Pabbly Connect Flow Builder page. So this is my Flow Builder page. To open the Flow Builder page, first go to your browser and search pabbly.com/connect. After that, you will land on the official page of Pabbly Connect. On that page, right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on sign up free option and you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. As I am in a Pabbly existing user, so I will click on sign in option. After signing in, you will see the page containing all Pabbly apps. On that page, you have to go on Pabbly Connect option by clicking on Access Now button. This will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On the dashboard, click the Create Workflow button located on the right hand side. When you click on it, it will ask you to choose the workflow builder while providing you two types of workflow builder, name as New Beta and the Classic version. I am creating this workflow with the help of New Beta version, so I selected that option. Once I select the New Beta version, then it will ask me to enter the workflow name. So I entered the workflow name as Add Website Form Leads to Airtable in 5 minutes. After that, it will ask me to select the folder. Then I simply click on Create button. Then you will come in this page name as Pabbly Connect Workflow Builder page. Here you have to select your trigger application. Trigger application is the first and the most important step, as I want to store my website form leads to my Airtable. For that, I am going to select my trigger application as Webhook by Pabbly. This will work like a bridge between my website form and my Pabbly Connect. Here I am going to select the app event as Sketch Webhook. After that, I am clicking on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide me one Webhook URL that I am going to copy from here. With the help of this Webhook URL, my website form will connect to my Pabbly Connect. To do that, I am going to take you to my notepad where I have entered my website form code. So see, this is the code of my website form, where in this fetch option, I am going to paste the URL that I have copied from my Pabbly Connect. See, here I pasted. After that, I am saving this form. See, it is saved. Here it is waiting for a Webhook response. Now for getting this Webhook response, I am again filling the form, but at first I am refreshing this form because I pasted new Webhook URL into my website form code. Now again I am entering some test details in all these fields. In this time I am entering the full name as Smart User and the email address I entered as smart23@pabblytudes.com, adding one test contact number also. Next, the subscription type I entered as Pabbly Connect. After that, I am clicking on the submit now button. See, the form is submitted. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, I have received a new response which includes all the details that I have shared while filling the form, as a name as Smart User, email address, contact number, and the subscription type that I have entered as Pabbly Connect. This means that my website form is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. In the next, you have to select your action application that I am going to select as Airtable because I want to store my user data into my Airtable. So I am simply searching Airtable in this choose app field. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as create record and clicking on this connect button. See, it will provide provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection. After that, you have to click on this connect with Airtable button. Then you can see it will ask you to provide the permission. So I am permitting it by clicking on this grant access button. See, my Airtable account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to select the base name as website form leads, as I already created this base before into my Airtable account. Then you can see it will automatically provide me all the fields that I have entered into my table. Here I am going to show you my Airtable base where I make the field by the name of name, email, phone number and the subscription type. So in all of these fields, I am going to simply map the data that I have received from my previous application, that is website form. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic, as different users enter different data while filling the forms. So for capturing each of users' data dynamically, mapping is used. For doing the mapping, you have to simply click on this name field and search the response that you have received from my previous application. Here I am going to do the mapping of name, that is smart user, then the email address, next the phone number, and lastly the subscription type. Here I mapped all the fields. See, one toggle is there by the name of simple response. When this toggle is enabled, you receive a simple response, but if you want a response in the advanced format, then you can disable this toggle. After that, I am clicking on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Airtable that a new record will be added or not. See, I have received a new response which includes all the leads that I have mapped in each field, that is the name as smart user, email address, phone number and the subscription type. This means that my automation is working perfectly. Now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check out. This automation is complete without doing any single line of code. With the help of this automation, whenever any new form submission can be done through your website form, then automatically all the leads of your user will be added into your Airtable as a new record, and this will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect.